Center Branch. We are going to be talking about our children's make and take that you can pick up on the 26th right here in the mall at our Center Branch right next to the Chuck E. Cheese. This month we are going to have a really cool craft where they can make a barn, and they'll have one of 3 puppets they can make. You will either get a googly-eyed pig, a googly-eyed little cow, or a googly-eyed little chicken. First, let's go over the supplies you'll need. Inside your bag, you will have all the supplies you need to make your barn. There are 3 different pieces. You're going to have the roof, you're going to have the door, and then you'll have the barn itself. And then you'll have one of the 3 animals. Each animal is going to have googly eyes, and then they'll have a couple different pieces each. If you have the cow, you will have cow body, you will have his mouth, and then a set of horns for the top of his head. If you have the pig, you will have the pig's body, his cute little nose, and then the cute little pieces that go in his ears. And if you have the chicken, you will have his body, and then his little tail, and his cute little head top. Now I'm going to tell you about the things that won't be in your bag. You're going to need some tape, because you're going to be taping your straws onto the back of your puppet. Then you're going to need some glue. A glue stick is perfect for this. It creates less mess for mom and dad. And you're going to need either crayons or markers. I prefer markers because they show up better on the construction paper. And you can use any colors because you can color your animal any way you want, because it's more fun that way. Okay, the first piece we're going to put together is the barn. So, grab your barn. You're going to lay him flat in front of you. Then let's grab the roof. You're going to turn it over. Take your glue stick. You might need mom or dad's help to open it. Sometimes they get a little stuck. Then you're just going to take your glue stick and go down one stripe and then down another on the roof. You're going to turn it over and line it up with the top of your barn. And then you're going to push it down nice and firm. And it's okay if it doesn't match up completely. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you're going to take your door, and you're going to do one line at the top, one at the bottom, and one on each side. Oh, careful, sometimes it sticks to you. And then you're going to lay it up right in the middle. And then you're going to press really hard to make sure it stays on there good. So now, your little farm animal has a home. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put the cow together, because he's a little harder. Now with the cow, you have 2 horns, and they're going to go right here on the top of his head. So you only have to put glue on the very bottom here. So just rub it across the top of your glue stick, and then place it right there on the top and give it a little squeeze. Then take the other one, rub the base across there, and give it a little squeeze. And then you're going to take one of your googly eyes, and you're going to do very much the same thing. You're going to lay it flat on your glue stick, and you're just going to run it across. That way you get enough glue on the back of the whole thing. And if you have to go over more than once, that's okay. And then you're going to give it a little squeeze, but not so hard that you push the googly eye down. We don't want it to lose its bubble. And then you're going to do it one more time. And look at that, your cow now has eyes. Alright, now you got his mouth. You're going to run the glue over it. And then you want this curved shape facing towards the bottom. And you're going to line it up just like that. And give it a little squeeze. Now I like to give mine a smiley face. So, you gotta give him 2 dots for his nose. And then give him a little smile, because he's a happy little cow. Now the next part is the fun part for you. You can decorate him any way you want him. He can have purple spots, he can have brown spots, he can have stars for spots. It's all up to you. Have fun. Okay, hopefully now you've finished coloring your cow. Now it's time for the fun part. You're going to attach your straw so you can turn him into a puppet. You're going to turn him over, lay your straw down. You may need help. You're going to get 2 little pieces of tape. And you're just going to lay it across here. Give it a nice little squeeze so it's nice and snug. Put another one down here so it doesn't come off. Alright, and then voila! You have a googly-eyed little puppet to play with, and he can hang out with his barn. Now go have some fun and make some stories. Okay, I hope you had fun, and if you got the chicken or the pig, they're very easy to do. As you can see here, don't forget to decorate them and make them extra fun. You'll have to bring them in and show them to us. And have a good time and make some fun stories with your new farm animals.